Mother is the person who hold our tiny hand, wipe away any tear, and teach us our first word, who stay awake when we are sick, worry about our future, and sacrifice her own happiness for our well-being. The answer is simple. A mother love, one of the purest and most powerful forces in the world. It cannot be measured by money or material things because it is filled with endless care, patience, and sacrifice. No matter how old we become or how far we travel, a mother's love remains with us forever, guiding us like a shining light through every stage of life. A mother is one of the most precious gifts that God gives to us. She is a person who gives us life and dedicates herself to raising and protecting us. From the moment a child is born, a mother begins a lifelong journey of love and sacrifice. She works tirelessly to provide food, comfort, and support for her children. Her love is unconditional because she continues to care for her children without expecting anything in return. A mother's heart is filled with kindness, patience, and forgiveness, making her one of the most important people in every person's life. One of the greatest qualities of a mother is her endless love and sacrifice. Mothers often put the needs of their children before their own. They work hard to ensure that their children are healthy, educated, and happy. Many mothers wake up early and sleep late because they spend their day taking care of her families. Even when they are tired and facing difficulty, they continue to smile and encourage their children. Their sacrifices are often unseen, but they are foundation of a happy and successful family. A mother is also a child-first teacher. Before children enter school, they learn many important lessons from their mothers. A mother teaches her child how to speak, walk, behave with polite, and distinguish right from wrongs. She teaches values such as honesty, kindness, respect, and responsibility. The guidance and advice that a mother gives often shape a children's character and future. The lesson learned from a mother remain in a person's heart throughout life and influence the decisions they make. Furthermore, a mother provides emotional support and comfort during difficult times. Whenever we feel sad, afraid, or disappointed, our mother is usually the first person we turn to. She listens to our problem, gives us advice, and encourages us not to give up. Her comforting words and warm embrace can make us feel safe and loved. A mother's support gives us confidence to face challenges and pursue our dream. Mothers also play an important role in development of society. They raise the next generation of leaders, teachers, doctors, scientists, and citizens. The value of education that mother provides have built responsible and caring individuals. In many ways, the strength of a nation depends on the love, wisdom, and dedication of mother. Without mother, society would not function properly because they are the foundation of every family and community. Although children may grow and become independent, a mother's love never changes. She continues to worry about her children and hope for their happiness and success. No matter how many years pass, a mother always remains a source of love, guidance, and inspiration. Therefore, children should always respect, appreciate, and care for their mother. They should express gratitude for the countless sacrifices that mother make every day. In conclusion, a mother is a symbol of unconditional love, sacrifice, and devotion. She is our first teacher, our greatest supporter, and our lifelong guide. Her love shapes our character and helps us to become better persons. No word can fully describe the importance of a mother. Repay everything she has done for us. Therefore, we should love, respect, and cherish our mother every day, not only because they give us life, but because they fill our lives with endless love and care. A mother love is truly one of the greatest treasures in the world.